Well, it's off to Berrima Diesel today. Looking forward to what the boys can find and get out of the old girl. I'd like another 100 horsepower, but I reckon there'll just be a bit of fine tuning and they'll just improve a few things, so bring it on. There's some cool old stuff around Berrima. This church, built back in 1849. Being so old, these would be original pick marks from where the guys used picks or hammers and chisels to knock the stone into place. This is a curve. It's a bit hard to see, but it's a curve. So how's that? The markings in the concrete, and 1857 the date in the sandstone. This is Lambie's Well. I'm at the back of Berrima. Come for a walk while my car's getting tuned with Berrima Diesel. After the river walk, I might go up the top for be up at the Surveyors General Inn, built in 1837. Here at Berrima Diesel this morning, you can probably hear my car. They're doing a big tune over there. Can't go over there because it's all noisy. Can't believe how busy this place is. They've got a 3-bay workshop. That's all chockers. Mine's in the bottom one there, getting a tune. Can't wait. Won't be long.
Sort of around 8 pound nut range. Now up around 12 pound. So because of that, we've now leaned off the fuel ratio. So this is low the fuel ratios up to a bigger graph here. We've actually got them sort of leaning off. Just due to the nature of the turbo and stuff, air fuel ratios can continue to sort of dive off as the revs go up because you start running out of air and puff. But it was pretty rich before. We were running down to the top end there about 19, 18 AFR to 1, and we're sort of about a point better now. We're up at probably about 2 or 3 PSI in boost. So that's all come up pretty good there. And power wise, just from doing those basic settings, about 10% to the range, only a tiny amount, but we actually run it leaner and cleaner and pick up about 10% right across the range, and torque maybe a little bit more just down low. So probably do a few just fine pump settings now, but the inhibiting factor usually ends up being with the 1H2Ts is probably the turbo. That you want to go more air again, so you can obviously get more fuel in and get more bangs for the happening in there. But that comes at the expense of everything being richer, and you just can't keep winding the boost up on those turbos. That's at a level where it should be now. So we've got a little bit of room to play in there with our air fuel ratios, and that'll be about it. Other than that being to safeguard for towing, we're talking our customers and like yourself, touring and towing all the time. You want to have safety built in. It's the primary thing really all the time.
Okay. Final run for the day. See how much horsepower we're kicking out. Well, what a bloody good morning that was with Berrima Diesel. Andrew himself did the tune on the old girl. Realistically, I was expecting to get about 2 to 3, maybe 5 kilowatts extra, but he found 10. And also found that the turbo PSI was down, so we bumped that up to be within the safe parameter. And what they do, they actually explain to you what they're doing to your car, why and how it affects things, so you've got a better understanding on exactly how things work. It's like if you rebuild your motor, put the injectors back in, put the pump on, and don't get it tuned, it's not efficient. It doesn't talk to each other. So by doing this and everything is in sync, better fuel economy if you drive it right, better for the environment, which is the main thing that we're all pushing for these days, but just a more drivable car. But what I found is that what a friendly, family, business orientated place it was. Everyone friendly, shake your hand, have a chat. Just a fantastic operation and professional. So busy down there, but they'd stop, have a chat to you, say g'day. So I'll be back in 12 months' time to give the old girl a post checkup, I suppose you call it, to see how things are going, and that won't hurt at all. So thanks Berrima Diesel, we'll be back.